The approval trust ratings of world leaders. President Rodrigo Duterte, Republic of the Philippines, is world's most popular leader according to United Arab Emirates-based paper. The best ever president in the Philippines in the history. Is good. The second is Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Republic of India, with a trust rating of 78%. The third is President Vladimir Putin, Russian Federation, with 68% trust rating. The fourth is Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern, New Zealand, with 55% trust rating approval. Number 5, President Donald Trump, United States of America, with a trust rating approval 46%. Number 6, Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, Canada, with a trust approval rating of 45%. Number 7, President Jair Bolsonaro, Federative Republic of Brazil, with a trust approval rating of 41%. Number 8, Prime Minister Boris Johnson, United Kingdom, with a trust rating approval of 34%.